Good morning, dears. Welcome to our computer class. In this video, first we are going to discuss about how can we create a new document in MS Word.
For that, we have to click on this File tab. Select the New option. From this, you have to select Blank Document. Now, a new page has opened. Now, let's discuss how can we enter text in a document. We can start typing using keyboard. While typing, do not press the Enter key while you reach at the end of the line. I'll show you an example. Listen. Listen, when you reach at the end of the line, it is going automatically to the next line. This feature of Word is called Word Wrap. Now, if I want to go to next line from here, do you know what to do? Yes, we can press Enter key. Now it will go to next line. Next topic we have to learn in this chapter is how can we select a particular text in MS Word. Here I want to select this screen. That word I have to select. What I have to do? For that I have to keep the cursor here and click on it. Then cursor raise there. Then click and drag the mouse for doing the selection. Okay, this is the method of how can we do the selection in MS Word. Now the selected text is highlighted. When we click on another place, the selection will be released. Imagine if I want to add one sentence in between these two sentences. How can I add a new text? For that, first I have to click the mouse where I want to add new text. Click on there, then start typing. Very simple. Here, now I want to move this middle sentence to the end of this paragraph. How can I do it? First, I have to select this sentence. Yes, I have selected that sentence. Now I have to move it to end of the paragraph. How can I do it? For that, first I have to cut it. For that, from the Home tab, you can select this first option, Cut. Click on it. Now it has cut from this word. Now, keep the cursor where you want to place it. Then select here. From the Home tab itself, click on that Paste. See? the middle sentence reach at the end of the paragraph. This is the method. How can we move text from one place to another? By doing cut and paste. Instead of selecting cut and paste option from this home tab, we can do by clicking the shortcut keys. Do you know what all are the shortcut keys for cut and paste option? For doing cut, the shortcut key is Control key plus what? Yes, X. Control plus X is for cut option. Then for doing paste, instead of selecting this paste option from home tab, you can press Control key in keyboard along with the V. Is it clear? The shortcut for cut option is Control plus X. Shortcut for paste option is Control plus V. If I want to repeat the same paragraph again, what can I do? Instead of instead of retyping the same paragraph, I can do it in very easily in MS Word. How can I do? That we can do with the help of copy paste options in MS Word. How can we do that copy paste? First, we have to select the sentence or word which you want to copy. Click and drag and select. Select it by click and drag. Then we have to do copy. No need to cut it. Select the copy option from home tab. Click on it. Then keep the cursor where you want to paste. It's very important. Keep in mind. Keep the cursor where you want to paste it. I'm going to paste the same paragraph here also. After that, click the paste option in home tab. See what happened? The same paragraph, pasted it to down also. Instead of selecting this copy and paste option from home tab, we can do it with the help of shortcut keys. For doing copy option, the shortcut key is CTRL, that is Control key along with the letter C for copying, and after copying we have to do paste in the same method that we did, paste option with the help of Control key and letter V. Now let's discuss how can we save this Word document. I know you all are very familiar with this. Listen, select the file, then select the save option from here. Save as window will appear. In this window, you have to type the file name in which you have to save. I'm going to give the name My Word Document. Select the drive in which you want to save. If you want to save it in a new folder, you can click here and give new folder name and can save inside that. Otherwise, you can save like this itself. Now I am going to close it. We have saved it properly, so we can close and check whether can we open the same one. Now we have to open new MS Word. Select this file tab and select the option Open. Click on it. Now open window will appear. From this, you can select the Word document which you want to open. Now we have saved in D drive. Here you can see our Word file, my Word document. Click on it and can open. Yes. For taking the printout of this Word document, how can we do? For that, select this File tab and select Print option. Here you can see the preview of the page which you are going to take the printout. If you feel it is okay, then you can give print here. Then how many copies you want, that you can give here and click on this print. It will be taken print. Now, how can we close this Word document? We are not going to close this MS Word. We are going to close this document. For that, click on this file and select this close option. Now, that document is closed. MS Word is here itself. We can exit the MS Word by clicking this close button on the title bar. Dears, these are the topics we have to learn in this chapter. In this video, we have discussed about
First topic is creating a new document, then entering text in a document, selecting text in a document, adding new text, how can we move the text from one place to another, then how can we copy the text, then we learn about how can we save a document, how can we do printing, then how can we do opening a document which we already saved, then how to do closing and exiting MS Word. Thank you.